How to fix standby mode not activated on iPhone. If you're struggling with the same problem, this video is right for you, as we have brought you some simple tricks and tips on how you can fix that. Firstly, what you have to do is go and tap on Settings. Scroll down on your screen until you find out the option called Standby Mode. Tap on Standby and make sure to turn this on. Once you turn this on, it will show you various kinds of options in which make sure that every toggle is on. Tap on Show Preview on Tap Only option as well. After this, kindly scroll down on your screen and make sure that your portrait mode is turned off. Sometimes what happens is this activated feature can seriously hinder on your standby mode. Another thing what you can do is you can go on your settings again and go to option called battery. Once you find the battery, tap on it and make sure that your low power mode is turned off. Once you do it, the standby mode will automatically be activated. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.